The reason we come here is to see how we can walk together this journey. I've read something here that fail if you must, but you came here to pass. We all came here to excel. But there are certain things that can happen as we move, and they obstruct or disrupt our journey. And first of all, your parents sent you here with a purpose. You have to set a goal to achieve that purpose. Are we together? So why we come in as counselors is because we believe that your brain is contributing a lot to your excellency. Once your brains are disorganized and you are thinking of this and this, and you have a lot of thoughts, you are touching here and here, you have a lot of issues, you have medical challenges, you have unanswered questions, you can never read anything and understand it. So the reason why counselors and psychologists come is because we want to be part of your parents. We want to be your friends. Feel free. Speak to us. Ask us any question. There are some of the questions which we even don't ask our parents. There are some questions where if you ask it to your mother or your father, we say, why did you ask that question? So the reasons why counselors come is that for us, we want to give you an answer to your questions. We shall answer you psychologically. We want to teach you to emotionally learn how to control whatever is around you. We want to teach you how to academically excel. We want to support you. Whatever factor we think you need, we want to give it to you. So I request you, number one, be open. Be open. Don't fear. We are not here to judge you. We are here to guide you. We are here to set strategies together. You tell me, doctor, I want to pass. But even when I read, nothing comes. Have you ever experienced that? You read and read and read, and the subject you read most, when the results come, you failed it. How did I fail? Something that I love most. So we are here to run this journey together. Those chicks, I want you to write for me your secret question on that paper. Ask any question. Don't put your name for me. How funny it is. Don't say, how am I going to ask this question? Won't doctor judge me? Won't they judge my understanding? No. Just say, even if you say, doctor, I want to buy a Benz. When do you think I'll buy it? Ask. Someone can say, doctor, my father and my mother do not stay together. I don't know where to go during holidays. Another person can ask and say, doctor, how comes that for me, I read but I don't pick things? Whatever challenge you have, feel free to what? We are academic giants, and we are here to see the world unfold for us. We have come because we know we are going to excel. We know we are going to pass. Nothing is going to stop us.